Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make rice noodles at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of rice flour, 1/4 cup of tapioca starch, 1 1/2 cups of water, and a small pinch of salt. The quality of your rice flour truly impacts the final texture, so opt for a fine grain. Tapioca starch is key for that lovely chewiness, ensuring your noodles are pliable and don't tear easily. Getting these measurements just right is the first step to delicious homemade noodles. Now let's prepare the batter and get steaming. Combine your rice flour, tapioca starch, and salt in a bowl, whisking well. Slowly pour in the water, mixing continuously until you have a silky, lump-free batter. Next, lightly brush a flat, heat-proof dish with a little oil. Pour in a very thin layer of batter, about 1/8 of an inch thick. Steam this for 2 to 3 minutes over boiling water until it turns translucent and feels firm to the touch. This creates your noodle sheet. After steaming, it's time to cool and cut your noodles. Carefully take the hot noodle sheet out of the steamer and let it cool down completely on a clean surface. This cooling step is crucial. It makes the sheets easier to handle and prevents sticking. Once cool, gently peel the sheet from the dish. You can stack a few sheets together before using a sharp knife to slice them into your preferred width, whether thin vermicelli or wider flat noodles. Precision here makes all the difference. Finally, let's talk about storing and serving your delicious homemade rice noodles. While they are absolutely best enjoyed fresh, you can store any leftovers. Place them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, and they will keep well for about 2 to 3 days. To prevent them from sticking together, you can lightly toss them with a tiny bit of oil before storing. These versatile noodles are perfect for a quick stir-fry, a comforting soup, or even fresh, vibrant spring rolls. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.